Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can turn on or off your sound on Toon Blast's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To turn your sounds on or off on Toon Blast, firstly go ahead and open your Toon Blast application. The home page of Toon Blast application will appear on the screen. Click on little gear icon at the top right corner of the page. From the pop-up, click on speaker icon to turn on or off the sound on Toon Blast. This is how you can turn your sound on or off on Toon Blast's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.